You are welcome to Nature Nurture, hub where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. One Croton plant can transform an ordinary corner of your home or garden into a burst of tropical firework color all year long. If you've ever admired glossy leaves splashed with red, yellow, orange, green, and even deep burgundy, chances are you were looking at a Croton. This tropical beauty is one of the most visually striking foliage plants available to gardeners in the United States. Whether you live in sunny Florida, warm Southern California, humid Texas, or cooler northern states where Croton thrives indoors, this plant can become the centerpiece of your space with the right care. Croton is perfect for beginners who want dramatic color without waiting for flowers. Unlike seasonal blooms that fade, Croton provides bold foliage interest year-round. When properly cared for, it rewards you with vibrant leaves, compact growth, and a lush tropical presence. Let's walk step by step through how to grow Croton successfully, including the best light, ideal temperature, watering routine for healthy roots, fertilizing, pruning, and solving common problems easily. Croton thrives in bright light. Light is the most important factor in maintaining its vivid leaf color. In most areas of the USA, Croton prefers bright, indirect sunlight indoors or partial sun outdoors. If grown inside, place it near a south-facing or west-facing window where it can receive several hours of bright light daily. Insufficient light causes dull, green leaves and slower growth. Outdoor Croton grows beautifully in USDA zones 9 to 11 such as parts of Florida, southern Texas, Arizona, and coastal California. In these regions, Croton can be planted in the landscape in a spot that receives morning sun and light afternoon shade. Too much harsh direct afternoon sun can scorch leaves, while too little sun reduces color intensity. Temperature is equally important. Croton loves warmth. Ideal temperatures range between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F. It does not tolerate cold. Exposure to temperatures below 50 degrees F can cause leaf drop and stress. Include Croton as a houseplant and keep it indoors during fall and winter. Avoid placing it near cold drafts, air conditioning vents, or frequently open doors during winter months. Humidity plays a significant role in Croton health. As a tropical plant, Croton enjoys moderate to high humidity. In dry indoor environments, especially during winter heating season, leaves may drop if air is too dry. You can increase humidity by placing a tray of water with pebbles beneath the pot or using a room humidifier. The right soil ensures strong roots. Croton prefers well-draining, rich potting mix. A quality indoor plant mix with added organic matter works perfectly. The soil should hold moisture but drain excess water quickly. Poor drainage leads to root rot, which is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Watering Croton correctly is the key to healthy roots and vibrant foliage. Croton likes consistently moist soil, but not soggy conditions. The best routine is simple: check the top inch of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, water thoroughly until excess drains from the bottom. If it still feels moist, wait another day or two. During spring and summer, Croton may need watering once or twice per week depending on climate and indoor temperature. In winter, growth slows and watering frequency should decrease. Always empty drainage trays after watering to prevent standing water around roots. Overwatering causes yellowing leaves and root rot. Underwatering causes leaf drop and crispy edges. Croton is sensitive to sudden changes, so try to maintain a consistent watering schedule. Fertilizing Croton supports lush growth and vibrant color. During active growing season from spring through early fall, feed with a balanced littleizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Do not over-fertilize. Excess nutrients can burn roots and cause salt buildup in soil. In winter, reduce feeding as plant growth slows. Pruning helps maintain a compact, bushy Croton. If your plant becomes tall and ledgy, Trim back stems just above a leaf node. This encourages branching and fuller growth. Remove any damaged or yellow leaves regularly to keep the plant looking healthy. Pruning also improves airflow and reduces pest risk. Repotting is usually needed every 1 to 2 years. If roots begin circling the pot or growth slows significantly, move Croton to a container one size larger. Avoid jumping to a much larger pot, as too much soil can hold excess moisture. Croton can be propagated through stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem about 4 to 6 inches long, remove lower leaves, and place it in water or moist soil. With warmth and humidity, roots typically develop within a few weeks. Now let's address common problems and easy solutions. Leaf drop is one of the most frequent concerns with Croton. Often this happens due to sudden environmental changes. Moving the plant to a new location, temperature fluctuations, or inconsistent watering can trigger leaf drop. Maintain stable conditions and give the plant time to adjust. Faded leaf color usually indicates insufficient light. Move Croton to a brighter location gradually to prevent shock. Brown leaf edges often signal low humidity or underwatering. Increase humidity and review watering schedule. Yellow leaves can result from overwatering. Check soil drainage and reduce watering frequency. Pests such as spider mites, mealybugs, and scale insects occasionally affect Croton. Inspect leaves regularly, especially undersides. If pests appear, wipe leaves gently with a damp cloth or use insecticidal soap. Early detection makes control easy. Croton works beautifully in interior design. Its bold foliage complements modern, tropical, and contemporary spaces. Use it as a statement floor plant in living rooms, brighten entryways, or add color to home offices. Outdoors in warm climates, Croton creates dramatic borders, foundation plantings, or container displays on patios. Pair Croton with neutral decor to let its colors stand out. In gardens, combine it with green foliage plants for contrast and depth. Seasonal care is simple. In northern states, keep Croton indoors year-round or move it inside before first frost. In southern states, protect from rare cold snaps by covering outdoor plants. Croton teaches patience and consistency. It thrives when you provide steady light, stable temperature, moderate humidity, and careful watering. Once established, it becomes a resilient and stunning focal point. If you're new to gardening, Croton is a rewarding plant that builds confidence. It responds clearly to proper care, making it easy to learn and adjust. Now is the perfect time to introduce bold tropical color into your home or garden. With the right light, proper watering, and simple maintenance, your Croton will reward you with vibrant leaves and dramatic beauty. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beginner-friendly plant guides, seasonal gardening tips, and simple steps to build a thriving green space. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.